we need to always to reset and to relearn because we don't know everything. On behalf of the Mr. Philippines organization, we would like to thank the city government of Iligan, headed by our mayor, Frederick W. Xiao, for supporting and allowing us to have this event, and the City Tourism Office and our Diandi Festival Board Committee for allowing us to conduct this activity, not just for us, but for the entire Iligan City. And also our partners, our official photographer from Ace Visuals, thank you so much. And then our official wardrobe for Viva Vestidas, and then for the rest of the designers nga muna partner, thank you so much. And then mga nasugdan na namo nga mga partners like McDonald's, Blanche for the skincare of our candidates. Daghan king salamat sa Blanche sa ilang pa-facial. Salamat pod kayo sa among na partner last time for the community engagement. We have the Rotary Club of Iligan South for allowing us to join the Kagasa project, Giving and Saving All. So it was such a great privilege for our candidates to realize their advocacies, to engage with our community. And at the same time, we would also like to thank uban pa nga mga sponsors, dili ntaw may isa-isa, but daghang salamat, and we already promoted ang inyong businesses among official Facebook page, and there will be more natay mga pending nga mga posts for our sponsors. So daghang king salamat, and hope you will extend our patience sa amoa. Actually, Mr. Philippines Iligan is very trending on the social media samot na karon, not just with the candidates but the organization itself. So those people nga mga who are trying to bring us down, it's okay, it's all right. We really embrace and we really allow you to say those things, because with your words, with your evaluation, kanay nyo mga gipang storya, we take it as a learning, we take it as a growth. Because I always say this, that once you are part of an organization or nakiginaapilan, we need to always to reset and to relearn because we don't know everything. And for us to grow, we need to reset and to relearn. So dagang salamat sa among mga supporters and bashers, because you inspire us, you motivate us to do well and to do more. So daghang king salamat sa inyo ha. And wala na mo disregard, wala mo invalidate, but we hear you and we understand you and we want to offer more sa inyo ha.